It's a big pine cone.
I was thinking about that mathematical equation about where the pods on a pine cone form on that coast to coast or whatever it was we were listening to. Oh, it's mathematics. So, yeah, a lot of math things on the radio. Talking about pi. 3.14. The history of coming up with that. That's kind of neat what the program was talking about.